Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest home decor ideas. In today's video, we will be exploring some unique and creative wall shelf designs that will add a touch of elegance to your living area. Let's get started. The first idea we have is the floating wall shelves. These shelves are great for those who want to add some depth to their walls. They can be used to show books, pictures, or even small indoor plants. The best thing about these shelves is that they don't take up any floor room, making them perfect for small apartments. The second style we have is the hexagonal wall shelves. These shelves are great for adding some geometric flair to your living space. They come in various sizes and can be arranged in different designs to create a unique design. These shelves are great for displaying small knickknacks, candles, or even small figurines. The third idea we have is the ladder wall shelf. This design is great for those who want to add some rustic charm to their living space. These shelves are made from recycled wood and have a distressed finish that adds to their character. They are great for displaying plants, books, or even some vintage decor. The fourth style we have is the minimalist wall shelf. These shelves are great for those who want to keep things simple and clean. They come in different shapes and sizes and can be used to display just about anything. The best thing about these shelves is that they blend easily into any decor style. The fifth and final version we have is the corner wall shelf. These shelves are great for those who want to maximize their wall space. They are made to fit snugly into the corner of a room and can be used to display anything from books to plants. These shelves are great for small apartments or rooms where space is at a premium. Those were our top 5 wall shelf ideas for home decor in 2023. We hope you found this video useful and inspiring. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more home decor ideas.